First quarter, first possession goes to Ron. And here is Diamos. She's over the left wing, Celis. Passes his ring. And whistle down there. Foul, his first personal foul, first team foul. 14 on the shot clock, Herman Rowan. Here's Diamos. Hands it over to the third, Paraiso Magsena. For a piece here. Here's JC Torres on the sideline for the Apostles. Back to JC on to Jodo. Sumagay-San on the top of the key. Goal scoring there. This is a hand over. On to Jodo, spins out. Delgado fades away. Misses goal. Now for the loose ball. Now well. And here's Diamos. Hands over to the third, Paraiso. Goal stolen by Manuel. Here's Falconete. And he is fouled up. Here's JC Torres from the corner. Passes inside to Fernandez. Blue overshoots that one. Putback is good. For Raiden Alaf. And here's Diamos. James on to Celis. And he passes. Spin move. And the whistle break is for San Simon on to Jolo. Sumagay-Sai on to Alafriz. Back to JC Torres on the right wing. Falconete making his way. This is putback is good. For Raiden Alafriz. Back-to-back 2 points there for Raiden Alafriz. Then 4 points already in this opening frame. They're up by 1. Here's Celis. Passes inside. And a finish from Renzo Rodillo. Pass from the middle, out to Blue. Fernandez to Jolo, launches from the distant 12 miss. Here's Diamos, passes inside, and finish once again from Renzo. So here's Jolo, so Magasal is up against Renzo. She's over from the corner on the right wing. Take out, Emmanuel with a hesitation, shot running down. Here's Sumagay-Sai, swings it over, on to JC for 3. Misses though, and here's the break out for Emmanuel. Couldn't finish. And here's Barangay San Simon on the field. And there's a 20 on the shot clock for Barangay San Simon. Jolo releases, misses though, rebound goes to Tangel. Falconete, extra pass down there, and another finish for Raiden Alafriz. Raiden Alafriz with straight 6 points. Only player to score for Barangay San Simon in this half. Diamos asking for a pick. Hands it over to Vergara. Jerome on to Guinea. On the ladder. Releases for that team. JC Torres passes on to Emmanuel. Fernandez with a jump shot. Yes, sir. Goal down for the right shirt, swings it over to Jerome Candara, back to Diamos, on to Edwin. Solid handle, Shaka swinging down. 10 seconds to work with. Spin go front corner, he fades away, misses though. The rebound is secured by Raiden. Alafriz on to JC Torres, to Falconete. Emmanuel, extra pass there to Jolo. Sumagay-Sai, back to JC. Shaka swinging down, 10 seconds to work with. A steal there from Jolo. And Jolo recovers. Blue, all the way in. Nonsense his way in. Yes, Sansulan is in the upper hand now. Here's Jersey Diamos. On the right wing to Mayonara. Juniel back to Jersey. 8 seconds to work with. 5 seconds to shoot. Bigger shot is there. Memphis. Here's JC Torres. Taking some time on the Jolo. Sumagay-Sai up against Jerome. Anticipation is there. Sterling. Always in. Touchdown. 5-position play. Here's Emmanuel Falconete on the other hand. Hands off to JC. Shaka finding down. 10 seconds to work with. Jolo underneath the ring. Misses that layup. The ball for Raiden Alafriz. So here's Blue Fernandez on the right wing. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Miko has it. Sanyosa fires. Misses. And the letter sealed by John Soriano. Sees up this action for the first time for Emmanuel Ron. Who's on the area. Strong finish once again on the shaded area. 6 points per hand already in this opening frame. Here's Miko Sanyosa setting things up. Hand up to Emmanuel. Palconeta to Gemar. Isorena on the crossboard. Shot pointing down. 10 seconds to work with. Sanyosa having some trouble. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass on the right wing. Miko fires. And Miko Sanyosa securing the activity. There's a block. On the other side from Gemar Isorena. Here's Emmanuel. With the recovery, hand off. Another strong finish from Reynan Alapres. He's the leading scorer game from Barangay San Simon. Here's Blue. Sitting the letter there on the Miko. Sanyosa on the heavy traffic. Setting some one stolen once again. By Barangay number 1. Here's the right. Renzo Olivio with 8 points now. He's the leading scorer for the light shirts. Here's Isorena. Gemar on to Reynan. Alapres on the crossboard. Stolen once again. Another defensive stop and a conversion. Talion sees up this action for the first time for Barangay San Simon. On to Lagami. Arman. On to Gemar. Isorena to Rex. Pantalion with a slight hesitation there on to Miko Sanyosa. Shot there from Miko Sanyosa. Finishing that 2 points. And here's John Soriano on the other side. Misses that shot. Here's Sanyosa once again. Touchdown. Back-to-back twos there for Miko Sanyosa. And the lead is back on the side of Barangay San Simon. Here's Bonvian Bautista. Misses the shot. Paraiso making his way, couldn't convert. But here is Dagami on the heavy traffic. Extra pass. Pantalion with a drill. First field goal there. Crossover steal. Shot to the net. And here's Miko Sanyosa taking some time, bringing the ball down. Serving the ball onto the Dagami. Passes. Anticipation. The ball still play from Miguel Villa. Onto Sanyosa. Miko on the corner. To Rex. Pantalion. 10 seconds to work with. Miko from the long distance. Couldn't connect. Here's Villa on the second serving. Onto the Dagami. Pass out of the. As a pass. Rex raises from the corner. Long two is good. They're leading to 5. 22-17. On the remaining in this first quarter matchup. Here's Sanyosa. Extra pass. Dagami. On the Rex. Yes, sir. 6 points now after this for Rex Pantalion. Here is the number 1 looking for an exit. Mario Moma. On to Soriano. John Gomez. Here is Sanyosa on his second break. Now on the right wing. On to Gemar. On to Arman. Dagami to Miko. He ends up. Fires. Misses that floater. Here's Soriano. 10 seconds remaining in this first quarter. Anticipation. Another stop for Barangay San Simon. Oh, here is the start of our second period. Barangay San Simon on the upper hand here. They're up by 10 points. Dagami swings over to the right wing. Shots, misses, and there's a whistle down there. Third Paraiso serving the floor for Barangay Manuel 1. Break away from his defender. Having some trouble in the middle. Recovery from Villa. Shot the ball down. 10 seconds to work it. Passes inside over Rio on the pocket there. After from the corner, here's Arman Dagami on the other hand. Sending things off for Barangay San Simon. 10 seconds to work with. On to Jemar. Isorena. 5 seconds to shoot. On to Isorena. He kicks out. San Rosa releases. Ball goes out. Ball staying. Hand off. Stolen there by Bautista. Here is Orindio. And there's a whistle down there. And here is Emmanuel Palcoleta. He's back in this ball game. He fires from deep. Misses. Rebound goes to Jason. Here's Apolonio. On his left break. Here is Barangay San Simon on the attack. Jemar with another. On the right wing to Rex. Pantaleon on to Raiden. 10 seconds to work with. Rex releases. Misses. Rebound goes to Eman. Palcoleta takes away. Where Palcoleta. But there's no up by 5. Here's Jason. Up against Miko. There's Ellen with Mendoza. Here's Miko. On the break. Misses goal. Passes to the right side. So here's John Soriano on the break. Para Easton. Hooligan. But that is John Soriano. Hooligan. Bringing back over. Converting that 2 points. The lead is down to 5. Here is Palcoleta. Emmanuel on the setup. On to Rex, back to Emmanuel. On to Reynan. Alafriz kicks out. 10 seconds to remaining. On to Isorena. Jemar. Kick out. Palcoleta making his way. And he... 31-26. Here is Orindio. On to Jason. Underneath misses. The rebound still by Reynan. Here's Alafriz. On the heavy traffic. On to Rex. From the corner. Elbow jumper is a miss. Rebound goes to Reynan. Alafriz. Another strong move there for Reynan Alafriz. And here is Juan on the other hand. Shot is running down. Leon up and under. And he will break on this match. So here's Miko Sanyosa on the top of the knee. Hand off to Jemar. Launches from deep. Misses. Here's Jason Apolonio on the play. He goes! Touchdown! Jason Apolonio moving to 8 points already. Here's Reynan Alafriz with a jumper. Well missed. Rebound secured by Leon. Anticipation. And a stop. And we have a substitution. Jemar Isorena. Here's John Soriano. On the other hand, Anthony Leon from the parking lot. Yes, sir! Leon Bautista. And we are tied at 33 points apiece. Here's Jolo on the other hand. Yes, sir! Jolo from the side. 3! First field goal from the 3-point distance for Jolo from the side. Bring back the lead to 3. Here's Jason Apolonio from the left wing. Couldn't connect. The rebound goes to Jolo. Here is Sanyosa. On to Alafriz. Reynan kicks out. And hesitation there for JC Torres fires! JC Torres, 3! JC Torres out of nowhere. Exploding from the parking lot there. Here is John Soriano. He kicks out. And there's a whistle down play. Layman 1. Here's Liam on the down play from the sidelines. On the block, Soriano Montorenzo. Orindio on the Jason to the half post. Trying to swing it down. 5 seconds to shoot. Orindio with his ready. Loses the floor for the dark shirts. Launches from deep. Misses now. The rebound goes to Jason. Here's Apolonio on the heavy traffic. He arrives. Yes, sir. 10 points now for Jason Apolonio. He's the leading scorer now for Barangay EB1. Here is Sanyosa. Misses that at the Soriano on to Liam Bautista. Setting things off. Up against JC. On to John. There's a winning spin here. Couldn't connect. Rebound goes to Joel. On to JC. Palcoleta. Spreading his wings. Yes, sir. Here's John Soriano on the other hand. Third para Easton, making his way. connected to Sumagaysay for 3. In and out, put back from Raiden. Couldn't finish though. As Jason Apollo heavily hounded by JC Torres. And there's a foul. To 3, 41-38. Here is Sumagaysay on the setup, on to Emmanuel, foul connected to Raiden. Alafres on the baseline, couldn't connect. Jonah putting it back. 15 is good for Sumagaysay. Under 10 minutes remaining in this first frame. Barangay San Simon still on the upper hand. Here's Apoloto. Ball stolen there. Here's Sumagaysay. All the way. Touchdown. In this net, here's Nick Paraiso up against Torres. Torres in this game. On. To inside. Torres on to Rain at Alafres. Now here's Isidro heavily handled by 2 guards. Having some trouble with the other. Ball stolen by Pantolin, and here's Dagdami stepping on the gas. Overshoots that one. Here's a foul. Here's Barangay San Simon looking to attack. Basket pass stolen by Paraiso. Salim is down to 5, 47-42. And here's Emmanuel Pantonete on the hand of Torres. Down to Patagon for 3. Yes, sir! Rex Patagon, 3. Here is Kurt Paraiso on the other hand. Launches from deep, short on that stand. But the ball. Here's Isidro with the reception. Pass on the left lane, short, put back. Still couldn't connect. Still a couple of seconds remaining. Here's Jono. On his way, misses. Put back. Is blocked by Isidro. There is Francis. All the way, but there is Alvin Salas though. To the rescue. Here is Raynan. Alafres, sides of remove his block. 5 seconds to go. Closer to pass. Off to the over. Sides inside, still on tight. On the attack. Jericho with the letter. So they don't know. You don't just talk to the point that he knows. He knows he could have bought an answer. Here is the Ortega. On top of the she's over the line with Lorenzo. By the deal that was scored on Jason. Someone in the man went since Mermaid. Apoloto. Made his way. This is who's ball goes to the size coordinate on the show. Takes it out. The shot from the apple is perfectly on the line.
Tumawag ka na kanina pa ngayon. Donsi! Tira mo! May gamsang pa to! Kaya magsabihin mo, wag yan. Pasok mo! Ay! Hindi kaya sabihin mo kano sa player.
In the third grade, Diemos, who's the main leader. Here's the score number 4.
Tagal naman. Walo nga lang eh. Shout out, bro!
First goal.